And the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. And right now we're doing XRP and we're gonna see how that's gonna perform today. Yesterday we had a very nice live stream for our Telegram group. Sometimes we do those kind of things, and we were talking about XRP and we were talking how important was to not break this 1.37 line, this green line on the daily, and unfortunately we did break that line. So today we're gonna talk about what happened, what's gonna happen, what we think is gonna happen, and stuff like that. That's it. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with XRP. So on the way up we hit this 198 target. That's the top over here. We don't need that anymore. It's gonna be a while till we get there. At least the Bitcoin figure out it doesn't want to go down anymore. 183, that was the previous stop up here. Close, we don't need that anymore. 155 was also some kind of a support down here on the way down. We are way past that, and now we are actually broke this support up down here at 137. So we are looking down at 109 for the next support. There are also other kinds of support. This 20 moving average on the daily chart is also acting as a support. So we got something. Let's put some kind of line there just so we can see it. The blue line is the support of the moving average, so just so we know that. So right now we got two supports below the 137, and that's at 1.2 and 1.09. Let's see how this looks on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart there is not much to see. Let's see just moving averages where they sit. We are way above the moving averages, so that's not a good sign. But that said, if Bitcoin decides to change its mind and continues going up, no, stops going down and starts going up, then this might actually pan out. It might actually be very nice. So yesterday we had live stream and we were talking about moving averages and some supports, and we were, where were we on the, we were here on this candle up here. This is the 4-hourly candle. It sounds about right because this only started at 2 hours. We were on this candle up here and we are talking the importance of closing above the this white line over here. That's the 10 moving average. So we wanted actually to close above the 10 moving average because that would be very bullish, especially above this 137 line, right? And at one point we were sitting up here and everybody was cheering. We put a very nice music on and everything, right? But you can see that during the rest of the day it went all the way down and closed below it. That was bearish, so of course bearish things continue to be bearish. We broke this support down here, went all the way down, wicked down, but find some kind of support here for whatever reason. Try to get above this 100 moving average on the 4-hourly, cannot, and this is also very bearish. So what we are looking right now for is these 10 and 20 moving average to catch up on the way down. So we are looking for them to start going down, and the price start hitting them or reject them. So if the price starts hitting the 10 and 20 moving average and getting rejected by 10 moving average, this can drop a lot further down. This is the same thing that's happening on Bitcoin. I just did a Bitcoin video. There's a Bitcoin video on my channel, so go there and check the Bitcoin video. Also it has the moving averages that are going down, right? And the price is probably gonna hit these moving averages and try to break. If we break them, we are looking to break this this horizontal line that's going over here. This is a very important line. So ultimately, sooner or later, we want to break this line, and then we're gonna be in a side trend. We're gonna go sideways and no longer be dumping, because this is actually a full-blown downtrend right now that's happening, because you can see we're getting rejected down, try again, rejected, and steady going down. And if we could continue getting rejected by these things, what's gonna happen down here, I'm gonna show you the same thing. I think it's gonna happen all the time, all the altcoins. Right now when we're going down, we created this very nice support down here. So we went up and now we're getting the second support. This is double bottom, right? Some kind of double bottom that's happening. So we have to break up here. If we don't do that, what's gonna happen is these moving averages are gonna push us still down, and when the price cannot break the moving averages, it's gonna try to trading inside this range. And when we cannot break the moving averages up here, what's it gonna do? It's gonna break down this support on the downside. Once it breaks the support, then who knows how far down we're gonna go. So right now we have to establish some kind of some kind of supports. And on the daily we already did that. We have the 1.2 and 1.09, right? But the 109 breaks, what are we looking for then? There's also this 200 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame that actually can act as support. so we are looking at that as well. There are also these the 200 also corresponds with the bottom down here and stuff like that. So there are some levels that we can actually use as support on the way down. Which level is gonna be enough to support? Now this is 0.9 that actually might hold the price. Let's see how this looks on daily. Yeah, on the daily that's the bottom down here. It should actually be up here, something like this. Let me put nicer, something like this. So it's maybe 0.91 or something like that. But these are the supports. This 1.2, 1.09, 0.9. So that is in case, let's look at it on 4-hourly. That's in case we cannot break the moving averages. That's the 10 and 20 moving average, this white line and a red line. In case we cannot break these two averages, because they are coming for us right now. They're coming right down for us and we have to break them. If we fail to break them, if we fail to get about it, that means they're going to push us down. And once they starting pushing us down, once we break this support that we hit 1, 2, and now it's going to be for the third time, we're going to hit it for the third time, we are going to create some kind of falling triangle over here. That's going to push us down. That's going to push us down. Okay. So that's what is going to happen. So now that I'm thinking about it, maybe there is some kind of maybe we can expect some kind of what are you going to call it? What are we going to call it? Some kind of target up here. Let's see if this actually pans out. If no, it's not. Okay, 0.6 guys, 0.6 is the target. We are not doing that. We are not going doors in that direction. That said, that's what you should be following. Let's see how this looks on the 1-hourly chart right now. And there was this 50 moving average, the 50 moving average, the yellow line, that was also pushing us down. And you can see here the price is all time trying to break these moving averages, but since we are below the moving averages now, the moving averages are acting as a resistance and we cannot break them. So what's gonna happen here? Either we break the moving averages, we're trying to climb the 20 and getting resisted by the we're trying to climb the white one, the 10 one, and getting resisted by the 20. But if you cannot break them, eventually this line of support is gonna fail. And if this line of support fails down here, what you think gonna happen? When you break the support, what happens then? Then we dump. That said, keep on watching the Bitcoin chart, subscribe to the channel, check out the next XRP video and stuff like that. I'm not bearish, I'm just telling you what's gonna happen, because Bitcoin is going down, so everything is going down. That's the way market works. Besides that, we are not looking at long-term XRP chart now. We just want to know where the support is. Like the video even if you don't like it. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to subscribe, because you know, updates on XRP and stuff like that. Thanks guys for watching. Check out the links down below for Telegram and Patreon. Patreon channel is actually quite nice. That said, have a nice day. Bye bye.